Don't you cry no more.
You never want to investigate anything.
You give me the puppy dog eyes? Really? Always ask for 2 beds. I swear to God, if I wake up in the morning and you're spooning me, I'll kill you.
I wish Dad was here. He'd know what to do.
Yeah, Dad was the best demon hunter there ever was.
Well, Dad's dead, and you need to get over it.
I'm totally over it. You're the one who's not over it.
You know I hated Dad more than you.
That's a lie!
Admit it, you never hated Dad.
Shut up!
In fact, you thought he was an okay guy.
Wait a minute, you really fell for these?